this morning on the wrong side of the bed. The hazy sunrise wraps a veil around my head. I can't get motivated. The swimming thoughts are drowning in my head. And if by some coincidence I do just what they said, and the morning blue is warning you, the avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away. The fire of veiled reason and the rain of every season, and the patriotic treason, the ringing of the bells, the avalanche of sorrow and the soul afraid to borrow. There is not a day tomorrow, it's all about today. And the morning blue is warning you, this avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away, set me free, and I will be afraid enough to find it. Take my hand or take a stand, and I would never mind it. Sit and stare or say a prayer for all you left behind. Colony, just never be the last one left in line. This morning on the wrong side of the bed. I should have stayed in bed and slept all day instead. There ain't no profit in this day that lies ahead. These blurry images still echo in my head. Morning blue is warning you, this avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. And the morning blue is warning you, this avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away. Outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away. They say it won't last, you'll move along, but we're moving too fast. I know they're wrong, 'cause we are like invisible light in the dark, and there's an